Introduction to measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is when we use tools like rulers or scales to find out how long, heavy, or full something is. What is measurement? Example, we use a ruler to measure how long a pencil is. Why do we measure? We measure to compare things, know their sizes, or to make sure we are using the right amount of something. Why do we measure? Example, when you measure ingredients to bake cookies, you make sure you use the right amount of flour. Types of measurement. Length, how long or tall something is. We measure length using rulers or measuring tapes. Types of measurement. Example, we use a ruler to measure how long a book is. Types of measurement. Example, we weigh a fruit to see how heavy it is. Types of measurement. Example, we weigh a fruit to see how heavy it is. Types of measurement. Volume, how much space something takes up, especially liquids. We use measuring cups to measure volume. Types of measurement. Example, we use a measuring cup to see how much water is in a glass. Tools for measurement. Ruler, to measure length. Tools for measurement. Measuring tape, for measuring long objects like tables. Tools for measurement. Scale, to measure weight. Tools for measurement. Measuring cup, for liquids like water or juice.